how to change your email on Facebook. So this video is going to show you how you can do it on computer, but I'm also going to make a video and I'll link it in the description showing you how you can do it on phone. So here's how you can do it on the computer. So go to facebook.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you've done that, look for the downwards pointing arrow in the top right hand corner. Click on that and then go to settings. Once you're inside settings, you'll see your name, your username, and then a contact. And this is going to be your primary email address that you made your account with. Now we can click edit, and here we need to click on add another email address or mobile number, and here you can enter in a new email address. So enter in a new email address that you want to add. So once you've entered the new email, click add, and you're going to get an email sent to that email address where you need to confirm the security code, but first you need to enter in the password. So once you've entered in your password, like I said, you're then going to get an email to verify that that's the email you want to link. So head over to your emails tab. In my case, I'm using Gmail, and you can see I've already got the email up here. It says, you recently added Bradley Harrison Enterprises at gmail.com to your Facebook account. Please confirm this email address so we can update your contact info. So we copy this code here, and you'll do the same on your email. Then go back to your account, click close, then go to confirm. And here you can enter in this code and then click OK. Once you've done that, the email address will be confirmed successfully. Now we can click on close. And you can now remove the email address which is already on there. To do that, what you need to do is make the email you've just added the primary email. Then once you've done that, you can see it's now the primary email. We can now remove the old email. And that's all you have to do, guys. If that video helped you out, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.